So you may have just picked up your Apple Watch Series 8 and you might be trying to figure out how you can charge this specific Apple Watch. Now there is only one way to charge this watch right now. Hopefully Apple, unlocks another way to charge in the future, but it is by using the built-in charger that is within the box of the Apple Watch you just bought. So if you look in the back of your Apple Watch, you'll see this little black little circle thing right here, right? Well, that is our charging placement. So now in our box of our Apple Watch, we should be able to see this little charger. Now, if I go and take this cardboard out, you should be able to see this little tiny cable. Now, this back portion is exactly what we're going to be using to charge our specific Apple Watch. But you want to make sure you plug it in the other USB Type-C cable on the side. You want to make sure you plug this in either into the power outlet or like a power cord where you can plug it in, a MacBook, a USB-C dock, whatever it is. You want to go ahead and make sure this side is plugged in. And then at that point, all you have to do is go ahead and grab your Apple Watch Series 8. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and charge our Apple Watch. So we want to make sure that this specific like indented corner right here where the little glass reflective material is, you want to make sure that goes on the back side here. So it should just like clasp into place. So you can see this is literally just clasp into place and your Apple Watch will start charging. Now, like I said, the other part needs to be plugged in, but that is pretty much it. Now, when you let go, it's going to stop charging. Now, some people may end up charging it this way. That is not going to work out. If it starts moving around and it's not like a good clasp, well, that's not going to charge it. You want to make sure it's the other way like this, and then you can go and clasp into place. And as long as it doesn't move, then you're pretty much good to go. Now, this specific charger is the same one from the first Apple Watch. So you can go and buy the first Apple Watch charger, and you can still pretty much use it on your Series 8. So that is pretty much how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.